In today's section, we are going to write a C program to find the area and circumference of the circle. Let's start coding. Open your developer C++ environment. Go to File, New, Source File and start coding. At first in C, we have to import the header file. #include stdio.h. The header file stdio.h allows us to conduct the input and output operations in C. Next, we are going to import another header file. Include conio.h. This header file is used in C and C++. You use the input functions like getch and clearscreen. It is also used for the consoles of the input and output. That is, it takes input from the keyboard and displays it on the screen. Then we are going to initiate main function int main. Int main indicates that the function should return an integer value. That is the data type used in the main function. We have imported our necessary header files and initiated our data file. So let's start writing the program in C. So at first we have to start the program with the curly bracket, start the braces and close the braces. Next, we are going to find the area and circumference of the circle. The main values we should get are the radius. So I am going to declare three variables: radius, area and circumference. The data type for radius, area and circumference is float, since we are going to get decimal values also. So initiate float. For radius, let radius be denoted as r, comma area, area, comma circumference. Let us give circumference as ci or cum. So I am going to get my radius in r, value of the area in area variable and value of the circumference in the circumference. End with a semicolon. Next, we are going to give a printf statement. So we have included the library for printf statements, which is stdio.h. Printf displays the text in the screen. /n, which stands for next line. Enter the radius of the circle. End your statement. Let's compile our program. So you can see the print statement is displayed. Enter the radius of the circle. Let's continue our program. Then we are going to scan the value that we have got from the user and we are going to save it in a variable or. So scanf inside the double quotes %f, where %f indicates the floating point value. Percentage stands for value at address and f for float. Then we are going to get the value of or. So comma ampersand or, where ampersand is the address operator which stores the value in the memory. End of statement. Next, we are going to calculate the area. I am going to assign the area variable. The formula for area is pi into r square. Therefore, I am going to assign the variable area, which is equal to pi is also equal to 3.14. So 3.14 into. So into operation is a multiplication operation which stands for star or since r square. End of statement. Enter. Then we are going to calculate the circumference and going to save the value in circum. So ci or cum is equal to, the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 star, pi stands for 3.14, 3.14 star or. End of statement. We have calculated the area and circumference of the circle. Now we have to print the values. So the print statement is printf inside the double quotes /n area is equal to %f, comma the variable name area. Next, we are going to print the circumference of the circle. So printf inside the double quotes /n circumference, which is equal to %f, a floating integer, comma my variable is circum, ci or cum. End of statement. Then we are going to give getch function. End of statement. The function of getch is to receive the input from the console. Getch receives the character from the user input. Then return 0. Return 0 means the program is executed successfully. We have finished our program. Let's compile our program. Save our work. Compile. No errors in our program. Let's run our program. So enter the radius of the circle. Let's give 4. Enter. The area is equal to 15.24. Circumference is 25.12. We can verify our answer. First, let us verify the area value. Area is pi r square. Pi stands for 3.14 into my r value is 4. 4 into 4, which is equal to 50.24. Let's now check the circumference of the circle. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into my r value is 4, which is equal to 25.12. We have successfully completed our first programming in C language. Thank you.